Hey, Cesar and Dice Muddy. My name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video, I'm going to go over 3 things that you could start doing today to help impact your business and surpass your competition. I work with local businesses here in the Tampa area to help boost their business and grow their company through digital marketing and other online strategies. And I've learned that by giving local business owners a free plan of things that they could start doing themselves has led a lot of those local business owners to put their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you can see that I have a lot of strategies, I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve, and I'm very good at what I do, message me back and we can set up a meeting. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan that I'm going to give you today and implement it yourself, that works for me too. So let me not waste any more of your time and let me get into it. So right off the bat, you guys have a Facebook page, which is good. I can see that you guys are somewhat frequent posters, which is really good because Google definitely wants to see that you're posting frequently. However, what you don't have is a website, which can inhibit you from getting searches from people actually looking for it. So the Facebook is good if you're going to pop up on it, but you haven't been established long enough or active enough for your Facebook to pull when people search on Google for your services. So I typed in, because you guys offer so much, instead of just focusing on one, I typed in Handyman in Tampa. And the number one competitor you have right here is this company right here called the Handyman company. So as we can see here, this is their website that populated when I just typed that into Google. So what I want to focus on, the first thing is content. So I took their website and I plugged it in a tool called SEO Quake, and we can see that they have 1,420 words on their homepage. Now Google actually said for full optimization you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words. So right out of the gate, if you just put more content on a website than they have, you're already beating them in one area. So content is the first thing. The second thing I want to discuss is keywords and keyword density. So as we can see here, the keywords that they have the most of are Tampa, handyman, services, remodeling. Let's see what else they have. They have commercial. So they have handyman services. So the reason this matters is because this is how, when you type something into Google, Google pulls they look through all their websites and they pull the ones that have the most keywords of what you search for to the top. So since I typed in Handyman Tampa, they found, they have it 31 and 39 times respectively. So this is the second thing you could do. The third thing is the most important. So this tool SEMrush can show you kind of the website and what it's built on. And what we can see here is that they have 130 backlinks. This is, again, their same competitor. 130 backlinks with 32 referring domains. And what backlinks are is they're links from an outside website to your website. So if we scroll down, we can see a few of these. So they have the provenexpert.com is linking to them. They have, let's see what else we've got. West Chase Bubble Life is linking to them. So the reason this is important is because this is how you drive your domain rating. And your domain rating is ultimately what gives Google the total ranking. So as you can see, they have that 38 authority score. And that's what Google's looking at to see how much they really want to pull you up to the top. So the backlinking is the most important part, and that is where the SEO specialty comes in. So once you learn and you can do that backlinking, you can pull the website you build all the way to the top. And look how many monthly visits. They're getting 4,000 visits a month. So if you just think about that, that could be 4,000 customers that you're missing out on. So in closing, we talked about 3 things today. We discussed content and how building a website with a minimum of 1,500 words on that homepage is critical. Secondly, we discussed keywords and how the quality of that content is crucial, because you want your website to get pulled up for what you're being searched for, whether that be flooring, whether that be paint, whether that be the other services you offer, such as remodeling. Whatever you want, then you need to make sure that those keywords are on there. Lastly, and most importantly, we discussed backlinks and how backlinks are going to be the most critical part of growing any website. And we can see here that you're missing almost 4,000 monthly visits. That's a lot of clicks. So, like I said in the beginning, you can take all this information that I gave you today and start doing it all on your own. However, if you want the most effective route, the most efficient route, and you want to start growing as soon as possible, then give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and I work with Equilibrium Digital at 813-515-3488. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.